Hey, you've tuned in just in time for a super simple gluten-free vegan fried rice recipe only from the Skeptical Vegan.
Alright, hit it.
We have our large wok heating up. Gonna add just a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to add our onions and our garlic. So in here we have one finely chopped red onion and 2 cloves of garlic over a medium-high heat. Let that cook for a few minutes. The garlic and the onion are just getting soft. Broccoli florets, put those right in there. And give those a stir. Onion, garlic, broccoli. The next thing we add is a sizable amount, probably again 4 or 5 tablespoons of vegan butter. We'll let the butter melt down into these vegetables, and we'll add our last few ingredients and we'll be all done. The next ingredient we're going to add is 2 cups of pre-cooked rice. I did this in the rice cooker this morning. Spoonfuls of what was 2 cups uncooked and looks like a truckload cooked of white rice. And now you want to be able to fold in all of these ingredients. We've kept our heat this whole time on medium-high. At this point we can turn it down more toward low, not all the way to low, but a lower setting, because although the burned rice ends up crispy and delicious, we don't want to quite get there yet. We add a good gurgle. That's an official amount of organic wheat-free tamari, making this rice dish gluten-free and vegan. So I always like to think of it as you add just enough tamari to cover the top of the rice. Next ingredient that gives it a ton of flavor that you wouldn't cook in, but you want to add at this point, is sesame oil. Once you smell the sesame oil, it's probably only about a tablespoon of that. The last thing we want to add is about 3/4 cup, maybe a full cup if you love them like I do, of frozen peas. You can turn the heat off completely, knowing there's going to be some residual heat. It makes a fantastic side dish. Have it in the fridge for lunches all week. It is delicious, and enjoy.